Unlock a world of effortless international money transfers with this comprehensive Wise tutorial. First things first, let's get you set up. Head over to the Wise website or download their app. You'll need to create an account. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the on-screen prompts, enter your personal details, and verify your identity as required. This ensures your money is secure. Once your account is ready, click on Send Money. Now, you'll need to input a few crucial details. Tell Wise how much you want to send and in which currency. Then, specify the currency you want your recipient to receive. Next, it's time to add your recipient. You can do this by entering their bank account details directly. This usually includes their name, bank name, account number, and sometimes a SWIFT BIC code. Alternatively, for some countries, you can send to their email address, and they can then provide their details. Wise offers several ways to fund your transfer. You can choose from options like a direct bank transfer, using your debit card, or even a credit card. Though fees might vary slightly, select the method that works best for you. Before you hit send, Wise is transparent about the costs. You'll see a clear breakdown of the transfer fees and the real exchange rate applied. No hidden surprises here. Wise is known for offering competitive rates, often much better than traditional banks. Review all the details one last time, and then confirm your transfer. You'll receive a confirmation, and you can track your money's journey right within the app or on the website. Sending money globally just became faster, cheaper, and simpler. That's how easy it is to use Wise for your international money transfers. Happy sending!